crazy motion.
A massive tornado tears through the area, ripping apart homes, flipping cars into the air, and leaving a trail of destruction as terrified residents watch the chaos unfold around them.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm. I just ran over there.
A large tornado strikes suddenly, tearing through the area with violent winds, destroying homes, uprooting trees, and hurling debris into the sky as panic spreads among residents. As the massive tornado strikes, a school hall is ripped apart, its roof torn off, walls shattered, and debris scattered everywhere, leaving the once safe building severely damaged and exposed.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Large tornado right there to the south, just to our south. Large tornado. Woo, look at that stovepipe.
Emergency alerts blare everywhere as a massive tornado strikes, warning residents to take cover while violent winds destroy buildings, hurl debris through the air, and spread fear across the entire area.
Yeah. Okay. Deploy. Power flashes! Power flashes! It's going down right there. Cakes and none, but it's there. Oh, look.
You want the gear creep up?
Holy fuck, my wife's in the storm shelter in Fairmont. Jason, what the fuck? Stuff over here.
Up into the air. This is a life and death situation. Tornado emergency for Southside Enid. Mike Bennett, go ahead.
Okay, Eric, we're at Highway 74, Hampton, Robert Covington, and Then we're going to go ahead and go west towards Enid, down 412. Our data is driving right into the teeth of the storm, so we're going to have to do a little core punching here. Oh my God, dude. It's getting it.
Everyone was gripped by fear as the massive tornado tore through the area, destroying buildings, hurling debris into the air, and leaving residents terrified and helpless in the chaos.
I'm a little older than that, and it's the first one I've seen too.
No!
This is the first thing you've seen?
Widespread destruction covers the area as the massive tornado rips through neighborhoods, leveling homes, overturning vehicles, snapping power lines, and scattering debris for miles, leaving entire communities shattered, powerless, and struggling to recover from the devastating impact.
South Road coming up soon. Okay. Hit this house.
Yep, barn getting hit. Go a little bit further.
Chaos erupts among cars as the massive tornado overturns vehicles, smashes them into each other, and hurls debris across the roads, leaving streets blocked, damaged, and completely unsafe for movement.
Oh my God, debris raining out of the sky. Not good.
Houses are completely destroyed as a massive tornado rips through neighborhoods, tearing off roofs, collapsing walls, and scattering debris everywhere, leaving entire communities in ruins while terrified families flee for safety amid the violent storm and widespread devastation.
Fully condensating right now. Twins. Wow.
Wow, do you see that?
Yeah.
Isn't that incredible?
Up into the air. This is a life and death situation. Tornado emergency for Southside Enid. Mike Bennett, go ahead.
Okay, Aaron, we're at Highway 74 exit, Robert Covington, and then we're going to go ahead and go west towards...
Emergency crews rush in to help residents, rescuing people from damaged buildings, clearing debris, and providing medical aid as they work tirelessly through dangerous conditions to bring safety and support to those affected by the tornado.
Oh, a lot of insulation flying by.
Absolutely drenched. But man, is it worth it.